In today's episode, we're going to focus on 3 hacks that will absolutely 10x your business, so stay tuned. Today on Mr. Bubbles. Welcome. Guys, we're out here at a baseball field. You see right behind me. I'm actually right beyond these trees right here. You walk about 30 yards. That's my shop right there. And this ballpark here is what's next to my shop. On the other side of my shop is the dive center, local dive center. So it's a little commercial spot here. And then pretty much everything here is either a church. The post office is right across the street from where I am right now. But anyway, I'm stuck today in the office doing a lot of admin stuff, answering emails and things of that nature. So I wanted to come out here and do a little video for you guys. We're going to talk about, you guys saw the title, we're going to talk about 3 hacks, that you can do right now. And it's going to make a significant impact for your business. And the thing is, guys, my channel, the focus of my channel has always been the long play, the longevity, right? I teach you guys things that are going to make your business better today, tomorrow, 3 years from now, 4 years from now. You'll still be in business if you focus on doing the things, mastering the blueprints and the skill sets that I'm constantly teaching here on this channel for you guys. But in today's episode, we're going to talk about, what are the things that you can do right now, this week, this month, that is going to have a big, significant financial impact for your business. So let's talk about it. So number one thing is we're going to talk about GMB. GMB stands for Google My Business. And the thing is, you guys have to put a lot of focus on developing that side, the SEO. SEO stands for search engine optimization. Guys, this is not like something that is super, super difficult or hard to master. And trust me when I tell you this, if a big dummy like me figured it out, you guys can figure it out. And then also, I have a video on my channel. It's actually episode 56. That's 56, where, I talk about and I teach you guys like the 8 things that you're going to focus on in order to properly optimize your Google My Business. There's things that you're going to have to learn about, like what are imminent domain backlinks, map citations. You're going to have to do some research. A lot of this stuff you can just, watch and follow my channel, and you're going to be able to get it because I do blueprints on this stuff. But anyway, you want to focus on getting 5-star reviews, answer all the reviews, and you really, really, really want to use a lot of relevant keywords, right? So I have a list. It's the 25 keywords for the pressure washing industry. I can send you guys that. These are keywords like pressure washing near me, power washing services. These are keywords that people are searching, when they're on their phone or their tablet and things of that nature. So you guys want to use those in your question and answers and the way that you guys answer reviews and so forth. And then one of the other hacks that I was going to tell you is you want to make sure that when you upload your pictures and whatnot, you name the file after keywords. So for example, when I upload a picture, instead of me, the picture, like let's say has some random name like 1234 JPEG, I will actually name the picture pressure / washing / not slash, but the little bar, pressure washing near me, and with the little space bar thing in between them, right? And then that way I'm actually embedding keywords in the metadata itself. And there's other tricks for that as well. And I'm always doing Zoom classes and tutorials on this stuff. So, if you haven't yet subscribed to the channel, make sure you do, because like I said, this is literally what my channel's about. But anyway, so focusing on developing the ability to optimize your Google My Business is going to be your number one thing, because even to this day, guys, I want to say like 35-40% of our business still comes from just organic. We don't do Google ads. This is just organically people searching all the time. You know, our guys, and including myself, when we go out there, we hear people say, oh, yeah, I just Googled you and your name came up. So this is going to have, you know, a significant impact on your business in terms of making money right away. Number 2 on my list, I got door-to-door sales. If you want to do something that is going to have like an immediate impact on your business, it's, you know, going door to door, not just on the residential side, but also the small commercial side. And for that, all you need is a good sales pitch. Practice your pitch. You know, I have that, the pitch that I've been using since I started my business. I can just email you that in my emails in the description of this video. But anyway, so I did an episode. It's episode 52. As a matter of fact, episode 52 and 56 that I mentioned about the GMB, they're part of my marketing series, which is episodes 51 through 59 on my channel. You can watch all of them. But anyway, episode 52 is where we focused on sales. And we talked about, for example, the anatomy of a sales pitch, which has 5 components, right? Introduction, short story, presentation, close, and then the upsell. So you're going to have to develop that sales pitch. Again, you can just copy mine. And then, you know, the 4 factors of impulse, you're going to learn about those. And the bottom line with sales, guys, is you just need to go out there and practice. You know, like they say, you know, practice makes perfect, or how does it go? Yeah, practice makes perfect. But anyway, so the point being is, you know, you want to get out there and you just want to get the experience of doing it. So what I recommend people do is once you get that pitch and you feel good and it feels super organic, you know, you want to go to a fluent neighborhood. And by affluent, I mean neighborhoods where people, you know, these homes are like $500,000 to $700,000 homes. And you're literally going to do target marketing. You're going to look for homes that literally need your service, right? So super dirty driveway, dirty roof, the house is super dirty. And you're just going to go knock on the door and do your sales pitch. And I promise you, if you do that, I would say at least 100 times a month, guys, you're going to get a lot of work. As a matter of fact, this is literally, you know, combined with my 5 rounds, you know, those 6x9 postcards that you guys know so well. That is how I built Mr. Bubbles. In the beginning, in the first 3 years, I would say 80-90% of my customers just came from, you know, target marketing this way, like going door to door, putting my 6x9 postcard at people's doors. And that got me a lot of business. Because at the end of the day, guys, you know, people, they want to, you know, customers out there, they want to do business with people they know, they trust, and they like. And when they see you, right, and they see your uniform, obviously, you know, it's got to be a given here that you're going to have good image. You're going to show up to these people's houses and you're not looking like a slob, and you have marketing in your vehicle and you're wearing a uniform. You see this right here? You're wearing a uniform and, you know, you have a proper pitch that you're going to be able to communicate effectively to people. Then your numbers are going to go up. So number 1, we talked about GMB. Number 2, sales. Practice your sales pitch. Go out and pitch 100 people on the residential side per month and 100 people on a commercial side. On a commercial side, you know, if you're a beginner, which most of you guys are, you want to focus on small commercial, like, you know, like your hair salons and, you know, small businesses. One of the things, I tell people this all the time, one of the easiest small commercial type jobs to get is like your local ice cream places, right? Because the kids, they drop ice cream on a concrete all the time. And we do tons and tons of those here locally. So that's a great hack for you guys. Guys, quick announcement. I've created a digital product called Mr. Bubbles Business in a Box. Check this out. Okay, so the Mr. Bubbles Business in a Box is actually a thumb drive that we're going to send to you guys to your physical address. And when you get this thumb drive, you're going to see a folder that's called Box in it. And then when you open it, you're going to see all of these files right here, guys, all of these folders. And guys, this thing has over 500 files, anything and everything I've ever created from my business. So all of the blueprints, training modules, documents, all of the things that you guys constantly email me about, your pricing PDF, for example, your marketing blueprints, anything that you could need for your business is in here. That's why we call it a business in a box. One of the things that I really like about this is, guys, check out all of these pictures. So you have a total of 300 before and after pictures that you guys can add to your website and your Facebook and your Google My Business. And check this out. So there's a folder called Google SEO, and the pictures already have the SEO words in them. And this one photo right here has over 300. This specific folder has 190 pictures, but all in all, it's over 300 pictures. Look at some of these pictures, guys. Amazing before and afters pictures for you guys to be able to add to all of your social medias and whatnot. This is going to help you get a lot of customers. And of course, your edible postcards are on here. And then finally, you got training videos on here as well, guys. Like, for example, the video on how to optimize your Google My Business, the Mr. Bubbles. You got several videos. So they're like training modules. You got all the PDFs. The bottom line, guys, is this. This is going to help you with your business. So don't miss out. Make sure that you email us so you can get your business in a box today. In order to get your business in a box, you just got to hit the link in the description of this video. And I say this all the time on the channel, guys. The more you know, the more you grow. That's how come I decided to create this business in a box, because it has everything in there you need to be able to grow your business. And I really believe that this is going to be a game changer for you. Guys, you do not want to miss out on this one. And then finally, number 3 on my list, guys, I talk about this frequently. It was the number one mistake that I made when I started my business, was not having a CRM program from the very beginning. CRM, of course, stands for Customer Relations Management. So it's a software that, you just sign up. Everything's on a cloud. It's not like they send you a CD or something in the mail that you have to install on your computer. And then this is how you input, for example, your customers' data. You set up their profile. So when you're sending out estimates, it looks super professional. It's a digital estimate that goes out to people. When you're sending invoices, when you're billing, like everything, you're going to look from the very beginning with a CRM, you're going to look like a multi-million-dollar company, even though you're just starting out. And that gives you, I wouldn't say an advantage, but it definitely gets you equal footing with the big boys out there. Now, the CRM that we use here at Mr. Bubbles is called Jobber. And what I'm going to do for you guys here in the description of this video, just search it out. You're going to find on top there the link that is going to give you a free trial. Guys, you don't have to take my word for it on how awesome Jobber is. You can go on there, sign up for free. I think it's a 15-day trial, and you'll be able to check it out for yourself exactly what it is that I'm talking about. But, when I didn't start really having a CRM until my 5th year is when I really started to see the value in it. Back in those days, I would do everything with spreadsheets. I had like a little accordion folder thing in my truck, and I would write stuff down. That's a mess, guys. You can't do business that way anymore. So with the CRM, essentially think of it as like ChatGPT or AI, artificial intelligence, running the admin side of your business. Something I talk a lot about here on my channel, is SOMA. You guys have heard me say this before. SOMA is an acronym I created. It stands for Sales, Operations, Marketing, and Administration. It's the 4 pillars, like the 4 main skill sets that you're going to have to learn. Again, sales, operations, marketing, and administration. These are the pillars that's going to hold up your success. And one of them being administration, sales, the other one we just talked about here. But, the bottom line, guys, is, with a CRM, it just makes your life easier because you have information at your fingertips. You can look up, the history of that customer. just imagine, because I didn't have a CRM my first 4 years, all of that information is lost. We don't know the customers that we did in my first year, second year, and so forth, because we don't have that information anywhere. That was a big mistake, and I don't want you guys to make that mistake, because the CRM program only costs a couple $100 a month, but it saves you so much time and energy, and it makes your company look so much more professional. So I highly recommend that, because you guys email me a lot and you ask me for a lot of tips and tricks and stuff. And like I was telling you, most of everything that we focus on teaching you guys here on the channel are things that are going to help you in the long run. Like a great example of this is networking. I talk about networking all the time, but networking is not something that's, necessarily going to bring you a benefit, within a day or two or a week or two. Like, really, networking is about the long play. But the things I'm telling you guys here today, meaning G&B, door-to-door sales, and having a CRM program, these things are going to have a significant impact on your business right now, today. I would not be starting my company, like a brand new company, without a CRM. I would definitely develop a sales pitch and get out there and practice, because, that's all sales is. It's just every no that you get is going to bring you closer to a yes. And then obviously in a digital age, this digital age that we're living in, you can't run a successful business without a strong online presence. So I highly recommend you guys focus on your G&B. And guys, by the way, whenever you have any questions, you feel free to email me. I have tons of resources for you guys as well. And you can, I answer all of the comments, and I do love emailing you guys, and I'm constantly doing even Zoom classes for you guys, for our community. So, make sure that you're subscribed if you haven't done so, because, that way I can keep you up to date with everything that we got going on with the channel. But anyway, I really appreciate you coming to the channel today, watching this pressure washing advice video. Highly, highly recommend you guys stay tuned, because, man, we're creating great content for you. A lot of things that we're doing in the channel, guys, I don't see a lot of other channels focusing on these things. And, everything that I bring you guys are things that I've been lab testing and working on and developing for years. So, I know if they work for me, they're going to work for you as well. And then I say this in every one of my videos: email me. I have tons and tons and tons of resources to share with you guys. I just mentioned here in this video, for example, the sales pitch, the keywords that you're going to need in order to optimize your Google My Business. These are all great resources that will help you grow your business. But yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bubbles out.